How to back up WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can back up WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, head over to your settings on the bottom right corner. After you tap on the settings option, you should be on this page right here. Now after you're here, tap on chats, and after you tap on chats, you will see two options there. It's chat backup and export chat. Now if you tap on chat backup, you will actually just back up your WhatsApp data to your iCloud. Now if you want to back up your chat to your Google Drive, there is a bit more tedious option. So if you tap on export chat, and after you tap on export chat, you'll be able to choose your chats here. So select a chat, and after you do that, tap on this two options. You can attach media with it, or you can export it without media. So I'll just tap on without media, and it should start exporting. After it's done that, you'll see WhatsApp chat here. Simply scroll till you find drive. Tap on the drive option, and after you do that, you can then just select a folder where you want to save this chat, and after you do that, tap on the upload button to backup. After doing that, you can do the same for different other chats as well. And yeah, that is basically how you back up WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.